Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today I will be showing you guys this beautiful tutorial how I created this wonderful mohawk doing a perm rod set. So today's video is sponsored by Avalon and I will be using all of their hair care products from the AffirmCare Moisture Right and Style Right line. So Avalon is a hair care company that also produces other brands such as As I Am and Care. AffirmCare Moisture Right and Style Right consists of several hair maintenance products that is right for your hair. You can find the sensational edges for edge control. You can get the hair repair mask for dry hair or the laminate spray for shine and moisture, as well as other products in this line. So another great thing about this line is that you can actually get these products in professional sizes, 32 ounces, or you can get them in small personal sizes such as 8 ounces. So I will definitely leave a link to their website down below in the description where you can find all of these products. So I am starting out with clean shampoo hair, and the first thing I love to do before I do any type of set is to make sure that my hair is properly hydrated. So I am using the Avalon AffirmCare Moisture Right nourishing conditioner to hydrate my hair. So some of the key ingredients in this line is Rita extract, Shikai extract, Alma extract, Piquet oil, royal jelly, and argan oil. So this conditioner really softens my hair. As you can see, the comb is just gliding through my hair. I was really impressed with the performance of this conditioner on my hair. My hair felt very moisturized even after rinsing it out. So for this hairstyle, it's best to start with lightly stretched hair. So I did blow dry my hair on warm air just to lightly stretch it. And then you want to part your hair going straight down on both sides of your head so that you have a middle section for your mohawk. So next you want to take the Style Right Sensational Edges, and this will allow my twist to lay flat and sleek. So what I do is part going straight down just to create 5 twists going up towards that mohawk in the middle, and I apply the edge control right around the perimeter of that twist before twisting it. So this creates a much more sleek looking twist, and it just makes sure everything is laying in place so that you do not have any flyaways. So I also secure my twist with bobby pins. So to help my set last long and to create more shiny, beautiful curls, I will be using the Style Right Foam Wrap Lotion. So the first thing I do is section off small sections, and then I dampen it with water, apply the Style Right Foam Wrap Lotion on top of that just to create a more lasting effect. And then I detangle that section and then twirl it around my finger before securing it with a perm rod. After sitting under a hooded dryer to dry my hair and making sure that it is 100% dry, this is the very next day where I am taking down my perm rod set. So what I do is carefully take out the rods, and then I separate my hair into at least 3 to 4 pieces just so that I can retain some of my definition without causing too much frizz. And the very last step is to use the laminate spray just to add shine to my curls and hair. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to follow Avalon on Twitter and Instagram at Avalon, and follow them on Facebook as well, Avalon USA, and check out the link below so that you can check out all of these amazing products. I really love the results I got using them. My hair looks amazing and it feels amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a rating as well.